If your sink stopper won't seal properly, you're probably wasting water and dealing with annoying leaks that just won't quit. Okay, so here's the deal with fixing a sink stopper that's not sealing right. First, check if there's any gunk or debris stuck around the stopper or in the drain. Sometimes it's just dirt messing things up. If it's clean but still leaking, the stopper might be misaligned, so try adjusting the height or position until it fits snugly. Another thing to look at is the rubber gasket or seal. If it's cracked or worn out, swapping it for a new one usually does the trick. You can also tighten the pivot rod under the sink, because if it's loose, the stopper won't seal properly. Sometimes the stopper itself is old and bent, so replacing it altogether saves a lot of hassle. When picking a replacement, make sure it matches your sink type, pop-up stoppers for bathroom sinks, and basket strainers for kitchen sinks, for example. Lastly, give everything a quick test by filling the sink with water and seeing if it holds before you call it done. One of the biggest mistakes with sink stoppers not sealing is ignoring buildup and thinking you just need a quick fix. That gunk can seriously mess with the seal, so always clean thoroughly first. Another common issue is using the wrong size or type of stopper. If it doesn't match your sink's drain size or style, it won't seal no matter what you do, so double check before buying a new one. The third big problem is forgetting to check and tighten the pivot rod or linkage beneath the sink, which controls how the stopper moves. If it's loose or disconnected, your stopper will never close right. Fixing these issues means cleaning regularly, measuring carefully, and adjusting the hardware properly. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the usual headache of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real customers looking for their skills, making it easier to get work and build a good reputation.